have to manage people, it's very important that you can identify and relate to what it is that you are expecting from them. So I'm a firm believer of you know, you don't just jump into a managerial position, you know, because you know, done a managerial qualification or degree or what have you, because experience is also just as important. And I think in order to manage people, you have to be able to relate to problems. You have to be able to relate to sort of certain situations and scenarios that they may sort of come across. So I think it's really important that you've also been there, done that, and worn the t-shirt, because you are going to be in a position where somebody's going to want your advice, somebody's going to want your help. You know, it's like baking a cake. If I've never baked a cake before and I say, well, all you do is put in eggs, flour, milk, you know, milk, there you go, got that wrong. Well, some people do use milk, don't they? Flour, sugar, you know, butter, whatever it is. If I've never done that before, you know, and I make out it's as easy as, you know, well, what about the rest of it? What about make sure, you know, you put it in for this time, but if you take it out too early, if you open the oven too early, you know that's going to obviously make your cake, you know, deflate, or, you know, there's so much more to it. There's so much more. I remember somebody telling me that, you know, it's all in the order of the ingredients as well. It was beautiful sort of cake baker, and they told me, actually, you don't just chuck everything in, it's a process, you know. And it's just little sort of examples like that, you know. Things aren't as black and white as they seem sometimes, so you need somebody that has been there and done that to be able to offer sound advice, you know. So I think that's really important when managing people. If you don't hold, you know, I probably shouldn't say this, but I don't care about qualifications. I care about experience. You know, so to me, experience comes first over qualification.